Someone asked me recently, if you could only hold on to one stock, pick one stock forever, what would the stock be? I had to think about this for a second, but quickly came up with the name, ticker symbol O, for Realty Income Corporation. Realty Income is a real estate investment trust, or a REIT, that invests primarily in commercial properties across the United States. The company is also known for paying dividends every single month, and they have been paying dividends and raising their dividends every single year for many, many years now. Realty Income manages over 6,500 properties, primarily single-tenant properties and well-known brands, lots of them being very recession-proof and pretty much anything-proof. A lot of their tenants even remained open during 2020 and beyond. The company's business model is focused on acquiring high-quality properties with long-term leases and then leasing them to tenants on a net lease basis, meaning that the tenant is responsible for most of the property's expenses such as taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Realty Income's revenue is primarily generated from the rental income from its properties, and the company distributes a significant portion of the income to its investors, which I love, in the form of monthly paid dividends. And again, I've owned shares of Realty Income now for many, many years. I bought my first shares of Realty Income probably more than 5 years ago now. Realty Income is definitely one of my largest holdings currently. I currently, throughout my multiple portfolios, own around 1,000, maybe 1,100, 1,200 shares. With Realty Income being a real estate investment trust and real estate being one of my personal favorite investment vehicles, it sort of makes sense that Realty Income is one of my favorite stocks across the entire stock market. On top of that, I absolutely love getting the monthly payouts from Realty Income because then I have the money faster in my pocket to reinvest into more shares of Realty Income or other stocks across the market. Realty Income also recently raised their dividend, which bumped the monthly payout for my around 1,100, 1,200 shares quite a bit. Realty Income has a history of raising their dividend consistently over the long term. Sometimes the raises are bigger, sometimes they're smaller, but things are continuously moving up and to the right. Another fun fact about Realty Income is that if you look at the total return for Realty Income versus the S&P 500 over the last 5 years, Realty Income has returned 69.73%. S&P 500 has returned 61.61% over the last 5 years. Now, I know this is just one specific time frame, and I know it does include total return, so as far as price return, obviously, it's a different story. But Realty Income, in my opinion, is a monthly paying dividend stock that you can count on to continuously pay their dividends every month and over the long term raise their dividends to get more and more cash in the investor's pocket. Comment down below if Realty Income is a staple in your dividend portfolio. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to please drop a like in the video and subscribe for more. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.